Please click on the subscriber button and press the bell icon for latest technology videos. Hello friends, in this video we are going to unboxing a new tripod. I just ordered it on Amazon and now I am going to unbox this and let's see how it is. This is a tripod 3110. So I am sharing the review about this. So its MRP is 1999, around 2000. So now I am unboxing this box and let's see. In this box we got a carry bag for tripod and all accessories including in this. So I'm just opening this and this is the box. So I'm opening this. So in this we have got a mobile holding. So in this we can hold our mobile using this. So this is very nice. This is our tripod. Its legs are like aluminum body and that stand lock are plastic and it will be look so nice. So I'm just trying to move it. So we can move like that. Okay. In this one, advanced feature is in this we have content one remote. Using this we can shoot camera from Android or iOS, iPhone both. So if we connect using that, so it will be connect via Bluetooth. So we can directly capture image from long distance. So it will be just on and now we can see this is blinking. Okay, and this is a holder. So we have just going to connect our this is good. So okay, so I'm just open this and we just connect here mobile earbud and now we can easily connect our mobile in this and it's have a long distance, so we can unlock using that. So if we are going to, so this will I'm looking and setting the position. So it will look like so nice, and in this price it's have a very good. Now we can close this. So it's a good product in this range. So I will use this and will share next review about that. So in this price it's a good and user experience is good and quality is good. So if you are going to buy, then you can go for this. Okay guys, thanks for this video and I will share a next video for this and how is it working or not. So I will share my next video. Please like our video, share our video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.